Picture this. You're standing at the top of a massive snow-covered hill. You pack a tiny snowball, maybe the size of a baseball. You give it a little push. At first, nothing exciting, but halfway down, it's the size of a beach ball. By the bottom, it's the size of a car. That snowball is compound interest, and not understanding it is probably costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Snowball A rolls across a flat parking lot. Someone packs a handful of snow onto it every 10 feet. Same amount every time. That's simple interest. Snowball B rolls down a hill. The bigger it gets, the more snow sticks. It grows faster and faster. That's compound interest. After 30 years, the compound snowball is nearly 3 times the size of the simple one.
The rule of 72 takes 72 divide by your interest rate. That's how many years to double your money. Getting 6%, 12 years. Getting 10%, about 7 years. Invest $10,000 at age 25. By 32, it's $20,000. By 39, it's $40,000. By 60, it's $320,000. You didn't add a single dollar. You just let the snowball roll.
Alex invests $500 a month from age 22 to 32, then stops. Total invested, $60,000. Jordan invests $500 a month from 32 to 62, 30 years. Total invested, $180,000. At age 62, Alex has $1.4 million. Jordan has $1.1 million. Alex invested less money and ended up with more because Alex's snowball had a steeper hill. Every year you wait is like chopping off the top of the hill.
You invest $500 a month at 10% returns. After 10 years, your $60,000 in contributions has grown to $102,000. After 30 years, your $180,000 becomes $1.13 million, 84% from compound interest. After 40 years, $240,000 becomes $3.16 million. Your contributions are less than 8% of the total. The snowball at the bottom is a monster.
Compound interest works both ways. When you're in debt, the snowball rolls uphill toward you. Credit card at 24%, your debt doubles every 3 years. Put $5,000 on a card with minimum payments, you'll pay over $12,000 across 17 years. The most important financial move is flipping the direction of your snowball.
A 401k employer match is free snow. Someone walking alongside your snowball, packing extra snow at no cost. Not taking the match is leaving free snow on the ground. But consistency matters even more. Every time you stop the snowball, you lose momentum. Warren Buffett's net worth is $130 billion. Over 99% was earned after his 50th birthday. His snowball had been rolling for 50 years.
Compound interest is just a snowball rolling downhill. You control how early you start, how consistently you keep it going, and whether it rolls for you or against you. Start now, even if it's $50 a month. The hill doesn't care how big the snowball is when it starts. It only cares how long it's been rolling.